Welcome to my channel Traveler City. Miami does not really need an introduction. You came to Miami for some sun, sand, and surf, and you're going to get it, with a side of next-level people watching, too, of course. And if that's all you want, along with a cold glass of your preferred fruity cocktail or a classic mojito, that's fine, but Miami's beaches and rum drinks are barely the beginning of what the Magic City has to offer. From the highest of high-end designer shops and cutting-edge galleries to all types of walking tours, salsa dancing, food halls, museums, and even animal reserves to captivate any kids in your group, this city is the full, sunny package. Here, our picks for the best things to do in Miami. So in this video, we are going to discuss the top 10 best things to do in Miami. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Zoo Miami. Zoo Miami is home to more than 500 different animal species, and over 3,000 individual animals of all kinds call this fun Florida spot their home. The zoo is popular for its extremely natural environments that allow the animals to be safely separated from visitors without using things like cages or closed compartments, so the animals are happier and you get to see them in a natural manner. Not far from the downtown area, the zoo hosts plenty of programs and events to keep people of all ages entertained. Number 9. Wynwood Walls. Head to the most Instagrammed location today in Miami, Florida, the Wynwood Walls. This large museum of sorts is situated outdoors, where it covers over 80,000 square feet of walls, once belonging to a warehouse that is now abandoned. The Wynwood Walls were founded in 2009, and the positive buzz it generated resulted in over 50 different artists, all hailing from a variety of different countries, leaving their mark on the vibrant and colorful art space. Even if you're not much of a social media person or much of a photographer, Wynwood Walls is still among Miami's most delightful places to see. Number 8. Faina Theater. An opulent cabaret-style theater inspired by Europe's grand opera houses that harkens to a bygone area. Faina manages to feel totally decadent, sumptuous, and Miami. The theater's original live production is a cabaret-style spectacle called Tres de Lovers Rendezvous that is perfect for the red velvet surrounds and has elements of the circus, more like cirque and burlesque. Big names have performed intimate shows here too, including Bon Jovi, Macy Gray, Make Snow, Grace Potter, Andra Day, and many others. There are only 150 seats in the audience, and there's also regular jazz programming. Number 7. Coconut Grove. Tying in with the previous listing, Coconut Grove is among the many stunning, must-see places to visit in the city of Miami, Florida. The neighborhood is, at its core, a bayside village with all the charm and the urban touches that the rest of Miami showcases. Coconut Grove first sprang to live back in the 1800s, making it the city's oldest community that has been inhabited continuously. It's very much designed for pedestrian exploration, and there are loads of fun things you can fill your time with. Cafes offer good coffee and snacks, independent boutiques give you a taste of local fashion, and art galleries show off a mix of modern artistic styles and charming bohemian air. Number 6. Art Deco Historic District. Visiting the Art Deco Historic District is undoubtedly one of the greatest ways to get introduced to the best of Miami's culture and art scene. Commonly referred to as the Miami Beach Architectural District, it is one of the neighborhoods in Florida to have been placed on the National Register of Historic. The neighborhood and its buildings and structures were mostly built between the 1920s and 1940s, and the architecture throughout looks like the kind of old-fashioned futuristic you might see in dated science fiction movies. Fun spaceship-like shapes and structures make for a delightful glimpse into the beginnings of the city and its style. Number 5. Crandon Park. It originally began its life as a plantation for coconuts before being donated under the terms that the land would be turned into a public park by Miami-Dade County. If you're seeking what to do in Miami, Crandon Park offers a lovely beach and marina, spots for picnics, and a good amount of enjoyment just by walking. There are also plenty of fun options for things you can fill your time with, including plenty of sports facilities. A golf course, water where you can go diving or swimming, and a tennis center with a whopping 26 courts come to mind first. Number 4. Onyx Bar. If the address doesn't ring a bell, the exterior of this gated Mediterranean revival mansion in the heart of South Beach certainly will. It's the former home of fashion designer Gianni Versace, and the place where he was shot and killed in 1997. Today, it's an exclusive hotel with a minuscule 6-seat bar that's open to the public. That is, if you can snag a seat. The wine list, which among other offerings includes 25 sparkling vintages, is hefty. But the real draw here is the setting. You can grab a glass of wine at so many bars in the city, but this is the only place where you can grab a glass in Gianni Versace's kitchen. Number 3. Venetian Pool. The Venetian Pool isn't just among the most famous places you can find in Miami for its novelty alone. It's actually America's biggest freshwater swimming pool. Located in Coral Gables, Florida, this swimming pool was built in 1924, stemming from the leftover portions of a rock quarry that had been abandoned. The Venetian pool was fashioned after a mix of Mediterranean style and Venetian grotto appearances, with several connections to real life. All natural grotto caves ripe for exploration. As you lounge in the pool, you'll get to enjoy the benefits of a natural filtration system that ensures the water is always clean, clear, and blue. It's a great place to spend a day relaxing in, especially since it's the only swimming pool in the world to be on the National Register of Historic Places. Number 2. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Miami is often called the Magic City, and this opulent Italian Renaissance-style villa, as ornate as a Fabergé egg, is its fairy tale residence. Built for industrialist James Deering in 1916, Vizcaya Palace is brimming with 15th to 19th century furniture, tapestries, paintings, and decorative arts. The seaside grounds, which front Biscayne Bay, are full of gardens, fountains, sculptures, elegant pools, canals, trails, and a charming Florentine gazebo. Number 1. Miami Seaquarium. The Miami Seaquarium has an unlikely achievement to its name. It's one of the oldest aquariums in not just Florida, but all of America, having opened its doors in the year 1955. The building is one of the most popular places of interest in the city, spanning 40 acres and garnering over 500,000 visitors on an annual basis. As you explore the aquarium, you'll find diverse marine animals of all kinds, ranging from penguins to sharks and from sea turtles to seals. You'll also see manatees, flamingos, seals, reptiles, and of course, fish. Some of the most fun activities that the aquarium offers are the Sea Trek Reef Encounter, which lets you climb into the habitat of some exotic fish with a diving helmet, and many live shows that showcase clever animals and their talents. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.